Hi everyone!
Mine?
It's good.
We're making salmon. We need oil, vegetable oil, vegetable oil. That's good. And then the salmon in. We put...
Nope, don't plop it. Don't break the salmon.
We put the salmon in.
Then you put one.
And then you put salt.
That's all.
Yeah. And pepper. And then you wait until it changes color.
Just say be careful when you move it.
And then you flip.
Be careful when you flip it.
And then
Wait, what? Can I flip it?
go.
Be careful you flip it because you might flip it. Okay? Now say it.
Pepper.
Now say it in 3, 2, 1.
And cook each side for 2 minutes.
And be careful to not drop it. Is it good?
Ready? Put it on your plate. And ta-da! You're finished with your salmon.
We are cooking shrimp. Oil? First, we boil in water first. And then we put the shrimp carefully. I know Layla. Just stop it. On the tree. Ooh. And we wait for 2 minutes. See you in 2 minutes. Bye bye. A minute later.
The shrimp is ready.
The shrimp is ready. Now we wait till the water is done dripping, then we put inside. And make sure you don't touch the shrimp, it's hot. Put the shrimp in the cold water to let it cool down. Next, you put it in cold water to let it cool down. The shrimp in the strainer. Then you peel it open. Voila! Now we're gonna cut the shrimp in 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Now we put it on the plate.
Right now, my turn. Now we're gonna add black truffle, olive oil into our greens.
Now you're gonna put it on the spoon.
Too much.
Not too much. No taking, no snatching. Add salt and pepper. Was it wicked?
And then we add salt and pepper.
It's gonna be good. My turn.
Stop.
And then we mix again. And then you close the gap. And then you have to close it tight. Then you mix. Peekaboo!
put the batter.
And then we put the greens onto a plate.
Or you can make it like this. Like this.
And then you add your shrimp and salmon. And blueberries, but I'm not gonna add them because I don't like blueberries. Hey, I don't want blueberries.
It was. And then we add the rice seasoning. Don't add too much.
Oh, that's a lot. No, you can mix it, Lucas. You can mix it later. I just splashed it.
And
We're gonna add cheese stick.
I kind of want to.
And we are done.
Mine?
Oh.
It's good?
He's just eating cheese.
Subscribe and hit the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Bye.